And even the dog. Hey, you're on YouTube. You know that? Yeah. Angry Dog on YouTube. Okay, today what we have is a Samsung dryer where the door needs to be reversed. And already closed back up, but you know, hey, let's not go there. So what you're going to do first, I done took these screws out. You got your screws and your hinges. You're going to take these out, and they come out fairly easy. If I didn't have my hand over the lens, you could see that, couldn't you? Okay, so we're going to take this off, these out. Now, here we go. Now these hinges, they have a little screw on the back side that's set in a slot. I need both my hands. Maybe I do. Let's see, maybe I can get it off. Yeah, there we go. Take these off. See, they have little screws that set down in these keyhole slots. So you'll have to lift up the door once you get the screws out and pull out, and they should come right out. So now what I need to do is take these screws loose, hinges loose, and just simply put them on the other side. Okay, now that we have all the screws out, you're going to take, all the screws all the way around out, including the door latch. Now we're going to pop this cover off. Now, I wish I could do this with with one hand, but I can't. So let me pop this off and we'll come back. Okay, now we got this, and you're simply, here's a hinge up here. You want to try to keep everything in. Okay, here's your two doors, come apart. Okay, here's the hinge. There's a hinge. There's this placeholder, that placeholder. Now, if you lay it down like this, you shouldn't have to worry about this glass popping out. You're going to have these placeholders over here, your hinges over here, and your door latch. Simply just going to take it over here, turn around, line the holes. These, okay, we're coming over here and we're just turning it like this and lining these holes up. Okay, so these placeholders, they come over to this side, and you'll do them just like this. They were over here this way. We'll turn them this way till the holes line up, and until our hinge lines up, and keep your latch together because it wants to come out. So let me grab this hinge. Here's a placeholder here. I call them placeholders. I don't know what they're really called. Let me get this out. This wants to be difficult. Always got to be one that wants to be difficult. Someone's changed this around once. Okay, let me get off here. Again, another two-handed project. Okay, you will note I have all the screws in with the exception of one. That's because whoever did this before had wallowed the Phillips head out, and I had to use my easy out to get it out, and I'm not going back with it. I also note that on the latch, the two screws on the latch were a little longer than the other ones, so make sure you use those to go back with the latch. There are little clips around the side. See right here? They snap in when you're, once you put the frames back together, they'll snap in. Just put your screws in and screw them down. Now, let's get the door face or dryer face ready to accept the door. Okay, They do have a specific way they go back on. You'll just line up the holes and pop them in. We're going to change our latch from this side over to this side. Okay, got the hinge, latch. Got our covers in. We got the cover blank for the latch on this side, and now we're going to put the door in. Got our door in. Remember, it goes in and the bolts slide down in that keyhole. Now we're going to put our bolts in. Okay, we got the bolts in. Now you want to be careful because you can strip these out. Just get them snugged up. You don't have to go all Mogilla the gorilla on them. You know, just get them snugged up. Check it for proper operation. Just like that. And that's how you reverse the door on a Samsung dryer.